As people, we're just curious about how things work. We want to get closer and more involved to see the inner workings. Welcome to A Look Inside. Join us as we take a closer look at people, places, and things, and what makes them work.
Good morning, can I help you? Here you go, babe. Thank you. It's extremely busy. You have to be able to do 2 or 3 jobs at one time if you're going to work here. Thank you, ma'am. Have a great day. You can't be one person, one thing at a time type person. You have to be able to multitask.
The probate court handles wills and estates, guardianships of minors and adults too. And we handle the traffic for the county. That keeps us pretty busy, just handling the traffic court. We also do pistol permits, marriage license, even do a few business license for the disabled veterans. We have 5 employees. Chief clerk is Peggy Lasta, and the other deputy clerks are Marsha, Wendy Kutras, Mia Johnson, and Sandy Williams. And they do a tremendous job as far as volume goes. We do a couple thousand pistol permits, and let's see, it'd be about 500 or 600 marriage licenses a year. If y'all will join hands, please. John and Sharika, I require and charge you both that you stand in the presence of God, before whom the secrets of all hearts are disclosed, that having considered the covenant you're about to make, you do now declare your pledge of faith each to the other.
We basically spent our whole childhood together, basically. You know, growing up together and kind of fell in love. It's just been on ever since then. We had a child together.
In token and pledge.
In token and pledge.
Of our constant faith.
Of our constant faith.
And abiding love.
And abiding love.
With this ring.
With this ring.
I thee wed.
I thee will.
Well, we're very excited. He's the first in our family. First of all, we have 5 sons. He's first to get married out of my 5 sons.
I'm very excited that my son is finally trying to make a change in his life, that he want to get married, and he's doing the right thing for his family. And we're very excited.
Before you leave, so that Sharika can change her name.
Okay.
Let me get a certified copy of it.
We're always doing something.
This room is vital records. You have birth, death, marriage, and probate estates. So anybody that passes, anybody that's born, you do wills. We do put our traffic tickets in here too that are disposed. Current ones. The rest of them are in the back.
Doing paperwork for a funeral home that we got over the fax machine, and printing out all their work, so when they come, it'll already be ready so that they can continue to do their job. So we're always doing something.